Hi, my name is Aziz Farhan bin Muhammad Azri from class RSR 1113C and my metric number is 2020838708. I will present about the definition, purpose and history of swimming. Definition: swimming in recreation and sports, the propulsion of the body through the water by combined arm and leg motion and the natural flotation of the body. Swimming as an exercise is popular as an all-around body developer and it's particularly useful in therapy and as exercise for physically handicapped person. It also taught for life-saving purpose. For activity that involve swimming, there are also diving, life-saving, surfing, underwater diving, and water polo. For the purpose, swimming is a healthy activity can be done by most people throughout their life. It is low-impact workout that has several mental and body health benefits all while being a good recreational. The history of swimming. Swimming did not emerge as a popular sport of pastime until the early 19th century. A national swimming society was formed in the United Kingdom, with competition being toward the end of that century. In the early days of the sport, the most popular stroke was what has become to be known as modern-day breaststroke. The sport made its debut at the Olympic Games in 1896 and has featured in the sport roster ever since. Changes to the number of events in terms of stroke, distance, and program for both male and female competitors have changed substantially over the years. At 1908, saw the formation of the current International Swimming Federation, FINA, in London. Prior to this, there was no standard structure or rules that govern the sport globally. FINA now governs the sport on the international stage and set rules and regulations followed at all levels of competition. Swimming has seen many technological with the introduction of temperature control pools, anti-wave ropes, goggles, and of course the racing suits. The sport has continued to grow with current World Championship and Olympic swimming seeing more than 30 nations competing for medals. Then, the equipment and attire. We begin with the equipment. Firstly, swim fins. Rubber fins are used to help keep faster and build strength and technique, but are illegal in a race. They also improve technique by keeping the feet in the proper position while kicking. Secondly, hand paddles. Swimmers use this plastic device to build arm and shoulder strength while refining hand pulling technique. Hand paddles attach to the hand with a rubber tubing or elastic material. Thirdly, we have a kickboard. A kickboard is a foam board that swimmers use to support the weight of the upper body while they focus on kicking. Next, we have a snorkel. A snorkel is a plastic device that helps swimmers breathe while swimming. This piece of equipment helps the swimmers practice keeping their head in one position, along with training them for the proper breathing technique of breathing in through the mouth and out of the nose. Then, nose clip. A swimming nose clip is very similar to swimming ears plug. It's a clip that goes on a swimmer's nose while they are swimming. Swimming nose clips are used to keep water out of swimmer nose if that they are very uncomfortable with or struggle to do on their own. So, we continue with the attire. Firstly, Swimsuit. Men swimsuit. It is called trunks. Swimming trunks are what comes to mind when someone say men's swimsuit. Men's swimsuit trunk also happen to be the most common swimmer's choice for men. They are often made from light, fast-drying material. Next, women bathing suit. Women bathing suits are the suits that women wear both in recreational and competitive swimming. Women can wear a two or a piece bathing suit. Professional swimmers wear a tight one-piece bathing suit to increase their aerodynamic. Most swimming suits are made of fabric, polyester, and dry if let out for a while. Then we have a swim cap. A swim cap keeps the swimmer's hair out of the way to reduce drag. Caps may be made of latex, silicone, spandex, or lycra. Then we have a goggles. Goggles keep water and chlorine out of swimmer eyes. Goggles may be tinted to counteract glare at outdoor pools. Prescription goggles may be used by swimmers who wear corrective lenses. Rules and regulation. Firstly, all swimmers should take a shower before entering the pools. Secondly, all users should follow the rules of swimming sports by wearing, for a man, swimming trunk and cap, and for women, wearing swimming suit and cap. Thirdly, all users are prohibited from bringing in food and drinks into the swimming area and its surrounding. Then, children should be accompanied by their parents or guardian who will be responsible for their conduct and safety. Lastly, all users of the pools are strongly advised to leave the pools when it is raining and whenever there are thunderstorms or lightning or under any other life-threatening or emergency situation. Next, we continue with water safety. Water safety refers to the procedure, precautions, and policies associated with safety in, on, or around bodies of water, where there is a risk of injury or drowning. It has application in several occupation, sports, and recreational activity. Firstly, never swim alone. Swimming should only happen when a lifeguard is on duty. Lifeguards do not just watch the people in the pool, lake, or ocean. Their job is also to watch the water and advise swimmers on any safety concern and questionable condition that might arise. Secondly, always wear a life vest. Young children or inexperienced swimmer should always wear a Coast Guard certificate life jacket around the water. There are plenty of products on the market claiming to help children stay afloat. Thirdly, stay away from pool drains. Children's hair, bathing suits, and even lips have become stuck in broken or faulty drains, which can lead to drowning or serious injury. Teach children to stay away from this area in pools, especially if a drain missing a cover or appears otherwise broken. Fourthly, stay within designated swim areas. Whether you are swimming in a pool, ocean, or lake, staying safe. Never encourage a child to swim in water deeper than their abilities will allow, and especially if you are swimming in lake or ocean. Always follow guidelines local lifeguard has established.